What can you expect from the DJI Flip? In this video, I'm going to give you a very quick rundown on some of the key features of the Flip so that you know what you're getting yourself into if you pick up the Flip. This is going to be a short video to help you understand what the DJI Flip has to offer and some of its key features. What's going on, guys? My name is Dan Davis and I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, which is Australia's #1 drone YouTube channel. And today we're checking out the DJI Flip, which has such a unique form factor. Now, you can use this drone in a variety of different ways. The first thing I want to show you is straight when you unfold it. So it folds out like so. You've got 4 different propeller arms that you fold out. Immediately when you do that, it powers on the drone. So you're going to be up in the sky quicker than ever before. So this is the first full coverage Propeller Guard from DJI. It's going to be one of the safest flights that you can imagine. And the thing that's really cool here is they've kind of left little gaps here where you put your fingers between, right? So you can see how I'm holding 2 fingers that side, 1 finger that side. And there's a button that you press, and that changes between the different modes. So rocket, spotlight, circle, spotlight, direction track, and follow. There's a bunch of different intelligent flight modes here, and you can literally palm launch it. This is what you can expect from the follow mode. And this is the Droney mode with the DJI Flip. Keep in mind, you can use a lot of the quick shot modes that you would be able to use with your controller just with your hand. So you don't even need the controller, you can just palm launch it like this and you can access all of those quick shot modes. On top of that, you can connect it up to a controller and you're getting OcuSync 4, so you're getting phenomenal range, 31 minutes of flight time and a really reliable flight experience. So it can actually handle up to level 5 winds. I was flying the other day in a beautiful location. It was pretty windy and this guy handled it like a champ. Having full coverage propeller guards means that this is one of the safest flights that you are ever going to experience with the DJI drone. And you can see when it folds down, it's got quite a unique form factor. So that's what it looks like when it folds down. As you can see, this is the battery system here, and really simple to just connect back up and fly straight away. One of my favorite features, honestly, like I showed you right at the beginning, is how straight when I unfold it, it will power on the drone immediately. It will initiate its startup and it's ready to fly really, really quickly. So from here, I could literally be holding it like this, press the button, and I can go straight into circle mode without any issues, go to a different mode, and it just feels natural to hold it like that. There's no worries about getting your fingers caught in there because there is a natural spot, a natural placement for your hands to go either side of the drone. The camera system on here is also really impressive. It is a 1/1.3 inch sensor. You can capture 4K 60 frames per second HDR video, 4K 100 frames per second in slow-mo, and it can also capture 48 megapixel stills. It's also got the focus track mode, so that means that you can active track people. So for example, when I'm on my scooter, I can get it to track me, or if I'm walking or jogging or whatever it may be, I can get the drone to follow me and track me wherever I go with no issues. The other thing that's really cool is there is a front-facing obstacle avoidance sensor here, so that means that if it notices an obstacle, it will brake, and that's just a huge safety thing here that I love to see on the Flip. And then through the app, you can customize all of the settings. You can use the app for manual flight control if you don't have a controller. You can use voice controls. You can even get it to record your voice through the app if you're using the controller or your phone. And you can customize all of the settings there as well. So really, really fun stuff and such a versatile offering here.